Oh, did you try for that farther one?
No.
Oh. Did you try for that half one?
No. The one next to it.
No, it's in there all right.
I'll get it.
Leave that one on the ground.
Wow.
Because it's got
Dirty.
dirt on it. We'll pick it up, throw it in the trash. There you go. That was quick. Woo, yeah.
Oh, you guys got two things.
That's alright. I'll get a couple of these out for you.
Should probably put one in at a time though, right?
Right. Just gonna make a few of them easier so she can grab them.
She already had one in there, didn't she?
No, she's fine. There you go. Suck it in tight, spread your legs a little bit. Lean your head forward. Got it. Let's do it again. Rack it in there.
After a couple times that hurt. Oh, you did that.
Did you shoot that same one again?
Nope.
It's smoking.
Ooh.
Shot a hole right through the center of it and it didn't break. Can you open that case and screw those on the top here, on the side of the boat? You're pushing down too soon. Forward, then down. Forward hard, and then down. There you go. You getting cold?
Hands are.
If you're ready to take a break, let me know. Yeah! Got it.
I'll break.
Break. I'm just gonna shoot the rest of them, okay?